Alright, time for the BMS cable. As you can see, I have pre-made BMS cables, extensions for the Resolve EV kit that I'm currently using on this car. So it is very easy to install. You just place an order of how long extension cord you need of the BMS cables. And I have also gotten this, I don't know the English word for it, but genomföring we call it in Sweden. Something to get through the box. You have to drill a big hole for this because the BMS cables, they are coming with this big, I don't know the word for it. Anyway, you have to go through this box, and because of that you have to have a big passage kind of thing. And you can also talk to Isaac at Resolve EV so they can hook you up with this. I'm going to show you now how you do it. So this is my box. It is pretty tight. In a recent video I have I don't know if I have shown you guys how to make the battery smaller, but anyway, the fitment is really tight here. All right, there you go. And I want this to be like this. There you go. And then we're going to just put these two guys together like that. Something like this. And then you get these kind of guys. So you attach these two together, but you do this on top of the cable. Let's see if we can do this without getting electrocuted. In this battery you don't have 400 volts, you only have, I don't know, I have to put the voltage on the thing. Let's see if I can get this to line up properly without breaking the battery. There you go. All right. And this passage for the cable has a seal on the inside, so you don't have to make a seal of some sort. It is watertight when you install it. All right, there you go.